Hello everyone, my name is Vishwajit Biswal. I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. So my first task, which is prediction using supervised machine learning. In this regression task, I tried to predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based upon the number of hours they studied. This is a simple linear regression task which involves two variables. The one is number of hours studied and the second is percentage score. Here I am importing the required libraries, which is pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib, etc. In this step I am reading the data which is given to predict. Now the next step, here I show the shape of the data, that is 25, 2, which means there are 25 rows and 2 columns. Now here I describe the data and find the information about the data. Here it shows that there are 25 non-null values. It also shows that hours variable is of float type and scores variable is of int type. Now in the next step we plot the scatter plot between two variables, where the number of hours studied is on x-axis and percentage score is on y-axis. From this, we can see that there is a linear relationship between two variables. The linear relationship can be validated with the help of correlation coefficient. Here, correlation coefficient we are getting is 0.976. This means that there is positive linear relation between two variables, which shows that if the number of hours studied increases, the score will also increases. Now in the next step, we are plotting the distribution plot of two variables, and we are getting that the variables are in particular range and there are no outliers in the variable. So this is good for our model. Now the next step involves the division of data into attributes and label, that is data pre-processing. Now in the next step I am splitting the data into training dataset and testing dataset. Like here 20% data is used for testing and other is used for training dataset. Now here I train the algorithm. Since our model is trained, now it's time to visualize the best fit line of regression. Now I am plotting the line of regression. In linear regression, the scikit-learn find the slope and the intercept of the line where all the points fall. But in this case, the scikit-learn finds the line in which the difference of predicted values of line and actual values of point is minimum, as you can see in the graph. Since in above step we have trained the model, so it's time to test the model by making some predictions. Here we use this test dataset. Now in the next step we are compare the actual or target values which is already in dataset and the predicted values which is uh, predicted by model. Now in this step we are plotting a bar graph to depict the difference between actual and predicted values, as you can see this. Now the main task or the question is to predict the score of a student studied for 9.25 hours every day. So by the model as we trained above, we can get the predicted score, that is 91.56. So if a student studied for 9.25 hours every day, then she will score 91.56 percentage in exam. Now the final step, which is to evaluate the performance of the algorithm. This step is important to compare how well different algorithms perform on a particular dataset. Here different errors have been calculated to compare the model performance and predict the accuracy. Here we are getting a R2 score of 0.97, which is really great for the model. Basically, it tells that our model is predicting 97.1% of the data. Thank you.